All right, this is another assignment for you to build a simple website here, right? We've got our main heading, a couple HRs to separate the sections, a paragraph, another paragraph. Here's a subheading. And then for this final one here, I think I did do this as a subheading, like an H2, so it's bigger and bold. The main focus here is some new elements, the input elements that we used in the color brightness calculator, and a button. And I don't totally like the hover color. You can play around with the colors whatever you want. I did yellow, and then this is like a green yellow when I hover over it. But this has like the border radius, a different font, the small caps on it. So anyway, this is the main idea, right? Add your content here, add these input elements, change the width of the input elements. This will be an assignment that you also will do in JavaScript, so it'll be good for you to build this GUI, funny word, graphical user interface, so that when you click the button, it's going to take your 5 grades, right? So in computing science, these are the 5 credits we're getting. Client-side scripting 1, which is our HTML and CSS. Structured programming 1, which is basic JavaScript. Structured programming 2, which is more advanced JavaScript, if statements, loops, that kind of stuff. And then client-side scripting 2, I take the mark from these 2 credits because we do these credits in JavaScript. And this credit's all about using a scripting language. And then project A will be your final project. So these are the individual credits that you get, and then your CS10 grade is the average of these credits. Okay, so anyway, we're not going to calculate that now. This is just doing the HTML and the CSS to build this web page, so that in the future we'll add our JavaScript so that it actually does something. Okay, all the best making this. When you're done it, show me in class and I'll take a look. All right, have fun. Actually, one thing I forgot before I stop this video is there'll be some start code. The start code is on GitHub, right? HTML, CSS, JS template. You don't need the JavaScript, but I just have it there as part of the template. This is just a very basic, right? Our page structure, the head and the body. It links to the style sheet. Okay, and then the style sheet and the main.js are empty. But it's there for you. It's all ready to go. And I wanted you to practice, right? Remember, you can use this template. That'll copy it to your GitHub account. And then you can use GitHub Desktop to copy from GitHub down to your local computer. And you'll have that start code and you can synchronize it. Because, yeah, so it backs up on GitHub. And if you want to share it with me, you can share it with me on GitHub. Okay. That now is the end of the instructions for this assignment. All the best building this, and if you have any questions, let me know. All right, have fun. For real.